Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Stock Market Show. This is your host, Shades. As always, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Let's talk about Big Bear AI, BBAI here. The stock has been dropping from hitting a high of $10.36. And this is why I was telling people, okay, you want to chase? Here's a strat. If the signal isn't there, you don't take the trade and you walk away. You don't force it. You force it and you then decide not to take the small loss. You hold the big bag at 10, 9, or $8. And I've told you, there's someone in my Discord that just doesn't listen. They do the opposite. I tell them to go, I tell them not to go long because it looks like it's going to come down. And they go, no, I'm not going to listen to Shades. I'm going to buy the dip. Oh, it keeps dipping. I'll buy some more. And then it just keeps dipping. I don't get that mentality. But you want to buy the dip in an uptrend, and not when it keeps on dipping and dipping and dipping. So I don't get it. But wait for this to find a bottom. Wait for it to find support. Wait to see where buyers love this stock. Where are they going to love it at? 5, 4, $3 again? We'll see. It takes time for the stock market to reveal where that bottom may be. In the meantime, I would hold off and just wait to see. Just wait. Because if you buy here and it still drops lower, if it drops from here to $3 again at $3, because one of my Discord members bought it at 3 before that pump to 10, well, you're going to feel dumb, right? You're going to be like, I should have just waited for 3. And now you're down 50% on the position you have at $6. I don't know if the Discord member, I'm not going to ask them, but I probably should ask, actually. Maybe I'll ask them. I'm going to ask them and see where they think they're going to buy BBAI. But knowing them, they're probably going to wait for 3 again. Because the fact that they didn't chase here. They bought it down here when no one wanted it. So I'm pretty sure that person knows, they understand how to play the game. They know to buy it when everyone else is scared, when no one wants it. And then sell it to the suckers that chase up here. They know that. That's why he or she was able to, profit pretty big on it. So hold off. This is where you are patient and disciplined and you wait. You wait for it to get as cheap as possible. No reason to be the one that buys the dip as it keeps dipping. No. Wait to see where buyers love the price of the stock, and then you start buying in. And that way you're buying at a huge discount. Because most stocks, after a huge pump, they like to retrace about 50% or more. And we still haven't gotten that. But I think we still need a little more of a drop here, in my opinion. Especially with the market coming down as a whole. And it's already 565 in after hours. So like I said, just don't do it. You're doing yourself a disservice. Wait for the big discounts. When it's at a big discount, that's when you go, yes, time to buy. I still think there's more downside. Not just for big BBAI, but maybe for the market as a whole. NVIDIA earnings coming up as well. That's going to give us market direction too. So, and there's some stocks today that had good earnings and they went sideways, or they just dumped, which is not a good look. When a company is performing very well and has good earnings and it still drops, it still sells off, that's, you know what I'm saying? That's not a good look. That's like a warning sign right there. That doesn't make sense. Wait, you're performing better than last year or previous quarter, you're doing better, you're making more money, they raised guidance, the company itself is performing so much better, and yet it's still sold off. So that's like a little, just a little nugget of wisdom there. If you see that happening in the markets on several stocks, that's kind of like your cue to you know what, this ain't right. They're selling off after the company's clearly performing better. That doesn't make sense, right? And the stock is in the company is in the stock. So whoever's selling, we don't know why they're selling, but they probably don't like what they're seeing, and they still sold off regardless of the fact that it's performing better. So when you see that in the markets, please, be very careful. So I wouldn't buy. I'll wait for 3 again. Better to be safe than sorry with how things are dropping. All right, that's it for the video. I'll see you guys in the next one.